Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to e-learning students. I am very happy to welcome you children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Dear children, we started online classes to continue our studies. Parents, please support us and make your child to shine in future. Children, please make use of this opportunity children. If you have any doubt regarding lessons or regarding any questions, if you don't understand anything, you can WhatsApp me or you can ask doubt in Google Classroom itself. Students, we never ever stop learning, okay? So that we are taking online classes now. Come, let's begin today's lesson. Already we learned first lesson, that is first prose, Earth the Desolated Home. Today we are going to see choose the correct answer from the first prose, okay? And I read out the options. First one is astronomer. Astronomer is first one, and then second one is Earth, and then third is alien. Third one is alien. Alien means persons who live on other planets, okay? Then fourth one is astronaut, and then last fifth one is Mars. So children, these are the options given in these boxes. Now we move on to the choose the correct options questions, okay? Life found on the other planet is called, life found on the other planet is called alien. That is the life found other than the Earth planet. That is called as alien. They are called as alien. Yes, that is so. First answer is alien. See this one. I am circling it. No, that is alien. You are going to write it down here. Okay. Second one is some people believe that there might be life on dash planet other than Earth where we can live. We learned in this lesson, no? Do you have any idea, children? Yes, answer is Mars. The last one, Mars. I am circling it, right? This is second one, okay? Like some people believe that there might be life on Mars planet. This is your second one. Third one is I don't live on moon, but I live in. We cannot live on moon, right? But we can live in. But I live in. What is the next one? Yes, next one is Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth is the third answer. Okay, students? Yes, this one is third. The person who travels on space is an person who can travel through the space. What we named the person as? Do you have any options? We have two more options here. Do you have any idea? Yes, astronaut. Fourth one is astronaut. Astronaut is the person who travels to a space. And fifth one is the scientific observer of the celestial bodies is last one, astronomer. Astronomer, this one. Option first is the fifth answer. Okay. One more option only there. So, the scientific observer of the celestial bodies is called as astronomer. Yes. So, the 5 choose the correct answers are over. Okay. See, this one is number 5. Children, so far we have completed 5 choose the correct answers. So, let's we move on to the fill in the blanks. Children, we have 5 more fill in the blanks, children. Yes, 5 filling the blanks are there. But before going into the fill in the blanks, I just want to make a note about the difference between choose the correct answer and between the fill in the blanks. In choose the correct option, we have some choices over there. No, in that box, choices has been given. From that choice, you are going to choose the correct option. But whereas in fill in the blanks, when it comes to a fill in the blanks, we don't have any options. It is directly asked from the book. Yes, in fill in the blanks, we don't have any options. So, it is inside the book only they asked. First one is the man destroyed. What did the man destroyed in this lesson? Did you remember, children? Any ideas? Yes, answer is earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. The man destroyed earth is the correct answer. Make a note of it, children. Just a minute, children. I am selecting some colors, okay? Just a minute. Now we move on to second question, okay? Second one is, in earth, we get water from. What is the main source of water in the earth, children? How we get water in the earth? Do you have any answers? Yes, the right answer is rain, R-A-I-N, rain. We get water from rain only, no? That is the second answer, okay? Please make a note of it, children. Concentrate and do it well. Let's move on to third one. In Mars, dash days make a year. How many days makes a year in Mars? Do you have any options? Do you have any answers, children? Yes, correct answer is 687 days. Very good. Correct answer is 687 days makes a year in Mars. Okay. Come, let's move on to fourth one. Okay. You don't need dash and dash in the earth. We doesn't need two things in the earth. Arivamadi is carrying two things in the Mars, but whereas we don't need in the earth. What are they? Any ideas, children? We don't need two things in the earth. What are they? Very good. Two things are space suit and also oxygen cylinder. We doesn't carry any space suit and we doesn't wear any space suit. Space suit means the dress which we wore on the Mars planet and also other planets. Whereas in Earth, we doesn't need space suit. No, that only first one. And second one is oxygen cylinder. In Earth, oxygen is easily available. But whereas in Mars, we have to carry oxygen cylinder. So, these two things we don't need in the Earth. You don't need dash and dash in the Earth. The answers are space suit and oxygen cylinder. Yes, very good. Is it clear, children? Come, let's move on to fifth one. Okay. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not dash. Fruits, vegetables and water in the earth are real. But whereas fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. Yes, fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. They are not real in the Mars planet. Okay. Is it clear, children? Am I explaining you well and good, right? Please follow it. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not real. They are unreal in the Mars planet. So far we have completed 5 fill in the blanks, children. This choose the correct answer and also I hope you understood Earth the Desolated Home lessons very clearly. First, I explain you some of these questions, children. First question is the setting of the story. Where does this story took place? Do you have any idea? Okay. And second is name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hub. They are asking some of the vegetables which has been harvested in the vegetation hub. And then how water is produced in Mars. How does water is produced in Mars? Already we learnt it in our lesson also. Okay, we move on to fifth one. In this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story, children? Okay, we move on to sixth one. What should be done to save the earth? How can we save the earth? These are the 6 questions. This is the first answer. What is the setting of the story? This story takes place in Mars planet. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. Is it clear, children? This story explains you about life on the Mars. So, this is the setting of the story. So, life on the Mars is the setting of the story. We move on to second question. Be careful, children. Concentrate and study well. I hope you clearly understood these topics. Do you have any doubt? Please clarify with me, children. This is second question. Name the vegetables harvested in the vegetation hab. Carrot was harvested in the vegetation hab. Yes. There is an argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. Grandpa tells that carrots, vegetables and fruits are not real. So, the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hab is carrot. Very good, children. Carrot was the vegetable harvested in the vegetation hab. Yes, very good. As Grandpa tells, vegetables, fruits and water are not real in Mars planet because he missed Earth planet, so that there is a argument between Grandpa and Arivamati. In that argument, they mentioned this vegetable name carrot because they harvested carrot vegetable in their vegetation hab. So, carrot was harvested in the vegetation hab. And third one, what is a soul? How many hours make a soul? Soul is a Martin day. Soul means a Martin day. A single Martin day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. So, 24 hours and 39 minutes make a soul. So, what is soul? Soul is a Martin day. In normal day, we have only 24 hours. Whereas in Martin day, we have 24 hours and 39 minutes. So, soul is a Martin day consists of 24 hours and 39 minutes. Okay, is it clear, children? Come, let's move on to fourth question. How water is produced in Mars? How water is produced in Mars, children? Yes, very good. Water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Only by burning fuels, water is produced in Mars. Whereas the main source of water in Earth is rain. We get water naturally from rain. Whereas in Mars, water is produced by burning fuels. This water is not real. As Grandpa said, water is not real in the Mars planet. Is it clear? Fourth answer is water is produced in Mars by burning fuels. Okay, and fifth one, in this story, what happened to the earth? What happened to the earth in this story, children? Yes, human has been destroyed. In the story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Human beings had been destroyed the earth. We learnt in first fill in the blanks, no, that only. In this story, the earth had been destroyed by human beings. Let's move on to sixth question, last but not the least. Sixth question is, what should be done to save the earth? What should be done to save the earth? What can be done, children? First one, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. We are using lots of chemical fertilizers. We should stop using chemical fertilizers so that we can save the earth. This is the first one. What should be done to save the earth, children? Yes, very good. We should stop using lots of chemical fertilizers because chemical fertilizers may affect soil and also some of the plants. So, we should stop using chemical fertilizers. Do you have any more ideas about these 6 questions? How we can save the earth? Okay. I suggest one more point to you. we are using bike and cars, no? By using bike and cars, air become very polluted. If air become very polluted, means we are damaging the earth. So by avoiding pollutions, any type of pollution, you come across many types of pollution in our science lesson. There are so much of pollutions. We are reducing pollution means we can save the earth. I hope you clearly understood 1 marks and also question answers. Is it right, children? Can you understand clearly? Okay, today your assignment is very different. Okay, you are not going to write anything, one word short question answers, anything you are not going to write. Today you are going to draw. Save the earth is the topic. Okay, if you have any doubt, I am going to attach a image regarding save the earth topic. Okay, please go through that image and you can also draw it. Okay, please submit your assignment by today evening itself. Thank you, children. Bye.